need to find the trigonometric values of theta of our angle algebraically using Pythagorean identities. On these two sections, we're dealing with 3 and 4, and basically we don't really need to do that. If you know your triples, we know that 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. So basically we can just fill everything in. The thing here, we're in quadrant 3. That means both the y and the x, this is your y over x, are both negative. So I have my x, I have my y, and my r is 5. So because this is x squared, well in this case this is y squared plus x squared equals r squared. I have to find everything else, so I'm just going to find everything. Start with sine. Sine is y over r. Cosine is x over r. And then we are left with cosecant, which is r over y, and secant, which is r over x. And then we have also cotan, which is the reciprocal of tan. So that's just going to be 4/3. That's your x over y. Two negatives make a positive. So all you have to do is fill everything in on this one. So y was -3, x is -4, and r is 5. And then you just flip these. Cosecant goes with the sine. So that's going to be -5/3, and secant goes with the cosine, and that's going to be -5/4. Okay, and this last one is very similar. We have this is cotan. Cotan is x over y. Here, this means we are in quadrant 2. In quadrant 2, my x is negative, my y is positive. So in this case, the -12, the negative goes with the 12, the y is 5, and knowing your triples, you should know that 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. Okay, you need to know your Pythagorean triples. Anyway, when we do this, we know that R is going to be 13. R is always positive. So now we just have to fill everything in. We've got sine of theta, which is y over r, cosine of theta, which is x over r, cosecant of theta, which is r over y, and secant of theta, which is r over x. Now, tan of theta is y over x. So on this one, I'm just going to do the reciprocal of that, which is -5/12. So we got tan. Now let's get the rest. Y is 5, r is 13. X is -12, r is 13. And then for these, you just flip that. That's going to be 13/5. And for secant, you flip that, and that's going to be -13/12. Okay? And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.